What are you doing?
They were just asking about the family and...
She was about to tell us about her super awesome gift!
Shut up!
Did someone say flowers?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Our angel, our angel.
Please don't clap.
Thank you.
Oh, it's nothing.
Isa? Hey!
I just want to be friends. That's all I want to be. I want to be friends.
Have you lost your mind?
Okay, we friends now?
No.
Bro.
All grown up.
Baby, amor, you're gonna get him all wet.
You are make your papa proud.
I don't sound like that. I don't sound like that.
Abuela says it's time. We'll be waiting at your door.
Okay, vamos, vamos, vamos. Okay, vamos, vamos, vamos.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Isa, if you know what's hurting the magic and it gets worse because you won't tell me what's wrong...
Shut up!
Ah, my head.
Why am I in your vision, Bruno? Dear, jeez.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Shoo. I just wanted to get the last of Toñito's thing. Great. Now I'm thundering. And a thunder will lead to a drizzle.
Oh, do something, bro!
Clear skies. Clear skies.
Zoe!
Felix!
Prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand?
Shake, now now bounce that.
Mirabel.
Ah, my head.
Will you marry?
I hate you!
Bye.
What? No! Hold on! Wait! Ow! Why did you take the vision? Is it why you came back, or... Yo, Bruno?
Portugal versus Argentina. Ronaldo versus Messi.
I've been stuck being perfect my whole entire life, and literally, the only thing you have ever done for me is mess things up!
Shut up!
You're a bad influence.
What is going on?
Well, it's okay.
A signed Ronaldo shirt!
Look at your...
Cristiano Ronaldo!
Please!
Let's go!
You have to stop, Mirabel!
Mirabel! The house is gonna fall!
Ah, my head.
Mirabel.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt us. I just wanted to be something I'm not.
Shut up!
She only wanted to help. I don't care what you think of
Messi.
Okay, so we gonna talk about Bruno.
It's Bruno.
Yeah, there's a lot to say about Bruno. I'll start, okay.
Messi ain't number one, ain't number two. Ronaldo number one. Gotta hear this shit every damn day.
Hey, Mariano, why so blue?
I just have so much love inside.
Shut up! Shut up!